Excuse me, sir. Can you just once say Gauranga?
Gauranga.
Gauranga, 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 Excuse me. Can you once say Gauranga? Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. You are qualified. Receive this wonderful card, a mantra card. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Can you just say once Gauranga? Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. So you are qualified. Thank you. Qualified. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Excuse me, sir. Can you just say once Gauranga? Can you say once Gauranga? Gauranga. Gauranga. Can you say once Gauranga? Gauranga. Just try. Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Can you say Gauranga? Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. Excuse me, can you just say Gauranga? Gauranga. Gauranga. Gauranga, 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 Gauranga. You qualified. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Can you once say Gauranga? Krishna. Gauranga. Say Gauranga. 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 Say once Gauranga. Okay, say Krishna. Krishna, 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 Krishna.